So how is a winner selected for the College Mentor Scholarship Test? Let's understand the tiebreaker policy first. So let's say you scored 100 out of 135 and your friend also scored 100. Now who's going to be the winner? That's a tie, right? I'll simplify this for you. Winners are going to be selected based on their performance in the scholarship test. A panel of judges will evaluate the results and make the final decisions. The decision will be based upon the following factors. Just in case there is a tie between two students, the student who has ranked higher in the merit list will be selected based on the score of GK. Eventually, if the score in GK is also the same, then it will be evaluated based on the overall scores of PCM. If the score in PCM turns out to be the same as well, then it will be evaluated based on the score of maths. If it's same in maths, then physics. If it's same in physics, then chemistry. Even after all these, if the scores still turn out to be the same, which is a possibility since many students are attempting the test, then in that case, the total number of correct and total number of incorrect questions will be compared. And the student with the least number of incorrect questions will be awarded. That was the tiebreaker policy for the 1 crore scholarship test. Now comes the part where I'll dissect the number of awards for you. 20 students will be selected from the merit category. 1000 students will be selected from the gender category, out of which 500 students are girls and 500 students are boys. 100 students will be selected from government category, 100 from LGBTQ, 100 from PWD and 100 from sports and talent category. This is me, Shayantika from Team College Mentor. See you in the next video.